Within chemistry, there's an entire branch of the science that focuses on how much energy is either used in a reaction or how much is released in a reaction. In other words, is the energy being used as a reactant and being used up in the reaction, or is it a product being produced or released in the equation? Now, if we have an entire branch, you know that we're going to have some jargon that's associated with it. And the jargon that we're going to focus on here is exothermic versus endothermic. This is all about the direction that the energy is flowing. Is it going into the system to be used, or is it coming out of the system as a product? So endothermic means that a process requires energy. I like to just say, here's a way to remember it, endothermic. It's going into the system. Terrible, I know, but it works. So endothermic, energy goes into the system. Exothermic means that energy is coming out of the system. The process is releasing some sort of energy. Now, take a moment and pause the video to think through. If a weight is dropping, is that exo or endothermic? And if you're hoisting it, will that be exo or endothermic? Go ahead and pause and answer that question for yourself now. Okay, so if the weight is dropping, that means that we have it spontaneously going from high energy to low energy. Energy is not destroyed. That means energy is leaving the system. This would be an exothermic reaction. How about this process? If we're hoisting it, we're putting energy into the system to lift that 1 ton weight up. That means energy is going into the system. This will be an endothermic process.